Good morning, Rodar. I am Paul Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 7, Subject Max, Exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. First one, the first question is divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. Solution. We want to divide two numbers. First one 12, then second one 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 is a whole number, and then 3 by 4 is a fraction. So we want to reciprocal of 3 by 4. First we want to reciprocal of 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Denominator go to numerator. Numerator come to denominator. That is a reciprocal. 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. The next one, the given number 12. Given number 12. So 12 divided by, that means divide, convert to the multiplication. Listen here, divide, convert to the multiplication. Can divide having, can divide, convert to the multiplication. 12 into our reciprocal part is 4 by 3. Reciprocal part is 4 by 3. Listen here, first one 12 divided by 3 by 4. We take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. The given number is 12. We multiply 4 by 3. 12 into 4 by 3. 12 into 4 by 3. Next one, we solve the sum. Here 3 having, here 12 having. 1 3 is 3. We take the take table. 1 3 is 3. The next 12 having 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. This is remaining 4 into 4. 4 into 4. We multiply the numerator into numerator. Numerator into numerator. Denominator one only having. So 4 into 4 is equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Divided by 1. 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. So our answer is 16. Listen here. First the given sum 12 divided by 3 by 4. Our solution part is, first we take the reciprocal of second number. The second number is 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. The next, the given number is 12. Divide, convert to the multiplication. Division, convert to the multiplication. The next one, we multiply the reciprocal number. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. So 12 into 4 by 3. Listen here. The denominator 3, here denominator 12. So 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12. Same table, 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12. Remaining 4 and 4 having 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 divided by denominator 1 only having 16 divided by 1 is equal to 16. So our answer is 16. The next one, second one. divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6. We want to divide 14 divided by 5 by 6. So second number is 5 by 6. Second number is 5 by 6. We take the reciprocal of 5 by 6. We take the reciprocal of 5 by 6. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 5. So given number 14. Division convert to the multiplication. 14 into our reciprocal term is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Here 14 having, it is a whole number. We take the reciprocal 14 divided by 1. 14 divided by 1. For our convenience, 14 into 6. Next we multiply numerator into numerator. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. We multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Here numerator 14 into 6. 14 into 6. 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 remaining 2. Next we multiply 6 into 1. 1 into 6 or 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So we add two numbers already. We having 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 14 into 6 is equal to 84. Numerator part is 84. Then divided by 1 into 5. Multiple denominator into denominator. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. The next one, 84 divided by 5. 84 divided by 5. We find the lowest form. 84 then divided by 5. 84 divided by 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 8 only having, we take the fifth table. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Next we want to minus 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next bring down the number 4. 34 having, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. So here 34 only having, so 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 6 5s are 30. The next we want to minus 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is a constant part. This is a remainder part. This one is division. Because you want to mixed fraction. You want to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means Q into R by D. Q into R by D. Or Q is equal to 16. Q is equal to 16. And R is equal to remainder 4. Then division 5. Or divisor is 5. So our answer is 60 into 4 by 5. 60 into 4 by 5. Next, the third one. Eight divided by 7/3. 8 divided by 7/3. Our question is 8 is the whole number. Divide 7/3 is a fraction. 7/3 is a fraction. Given number 8. We take the reciprocal of 7/3. Reciprocal of 7/3 is equal to 3/7. Reciprocal of 7/3 is equal to 3/7. So 8 into 3/7. 3/7. The given number is 8. We multiply the reciprocal of 7/3. Reciprocal of 7/3 is equal to 3/7. So 8 into 3/7. 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. The denominator part 7 only having here nothing. That means 1. 1 into 7. 7. 8 3s are 24. 24 divided by 7. We want to mix the fraction. 24 then divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. We want to minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Q D R. Mixing fraction is equal to Q into R by D. So Q is equal to 3. Then R is equal to 3. Then D 7. So our answer is 3 into 3/4. 3 into 3/7. The next one. Third Roman. 7/3 divide 2. 7/3 divide 2. The first one is a fraction and then second one is a whole number. 7/3 is a fraction. Number 2 is a whole number. So you want to reciprocal of 2. You want to reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2 is equal to, listen here, 2 means 2/1. We take the reciprocal of 2/1 is equal to 1/2. 1/2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. Reciprocal of 3 means 1/3. Reciprocal of 4 means 1/4. So reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1/2. The next one, you want to divide. So division convert to the multiplication. Division convert to the multiplication and then multiple 1/2. That means reciprocal of 2 is equal to numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Then divided by 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 7 by 6. 7 by 6. 7 divided by 6. We reduce the lowest form. 7 divided by 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. One time only having Q D R. Q 1, the divisor 6 or 1. So our answer is 7 by 6 or 1 into 1 by 6. 7 by 6 or 1 into 1 by 6. It is the lowest form. That means mixed fraction. Problem number 3. Second one, 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 divided by 5. 4 by 9 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. 4 by 9 is a fraction and 5 is a whole number. So you want to reciprocal of 5. First we write the reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Then given number is 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Division convert to the multiplication and multiply the reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 by 5 is equal to, first we multiply the numerator into numerator. Our numerator part is 4 into 1. The next one, denominator into denominator. Denominator 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So our answer is 4 divided by 45. 4 divided by 45. And the third one, six divided by 13. 6 divided by 13. Then divide 7. Then divide 7. First we take the reciprocal of the number 7. Reciprocal of 7 is equal to just 1 by 7. 1 by 7. The next given number is 6 divided by 13. 6 divided by 13. The division convert to the multiplication. Then multiply the number 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Next we multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Our numerator part is 6 into 1. Then divided by 13 into 7. Listen again. 13 into 7. 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So 1 remaining 2. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So already 2 having 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So 7 into 13 is equal to 91. 91. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. The next one, fourth Roman. Our fourth Roman is 2 by 5 divide 1 by 2. Solution. First you take the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1. The next one, given number is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into reciprocal term 2 by 1 is equal to 2 to 4. First we multiply the numerator into numerator. 2 into 2. The next we multiply the numerator denominator into denominator. 5 into 1 is equal to 2 to 4. Then 5 into 1 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. Our answer is 4 by 5. Listen here, 2 by 5 is a fraction. Then divide 1 by 2 also fraction. We take the reciprocal of the second number. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 5, the given number into the reciprocal term is 2 by 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. The next one, third one, second one. Four by 9 divide 2 by 3. Solution. First we take the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next the given number is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. Into 3 by 2. Listen here. 2 here 4. 2 here 4 having. We take the second table. 1 2 is 2. Here 4 having 2 times 2 2s are 4. The opposite 3 and 9. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9 is equal to. We multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. The numerator part is 2 into 1 then divided by 3 into 1. So our answer is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 2 by 3. Then third one. 3 by 7. Then divide 8 by 7. 3 by 7 divide 8 by 7. Both are fraction. We take the reciprocal of the second number. Eight by 7 is equal to reciprocal of 8 by 7 is equal to 7 divided by 8. 7 divided by 8. The given number is 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. Listen here. 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7. Numerator and denominator 7 7 we cancel. 7 7. 1 times 1 7 is 7. Here 1 7 is 7. Remaining 3 into 1 then divided by 1 into 8. Next 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. So our answer is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. The next fourth one. 2 into 1 by 3 then divided by 3 by 5. Here 2 times 7. 1, 2. The first one is a mixed fraction. First one is a mixed fraction. 2 into 1 by 3. We multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Then plus 1. Add 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then divided by numerator part is 3. So 7 by 3. Mixed fraction convert to the fraction. Mixed fraction convert to the fraction. So our question is 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So we take the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Is equal to reciprocal of 3 by 5 is equal to 5 by 3. The given number is 7 by 3. Division convert to the multiplication into reciprocal term 5 by 3. So our answer is 7 into 5, 3 into 3. Numerator into numerator. 7 into 5 then divided by 3 into 3. 7 5s are 35 then divided by 3 3s are 9. 35 divided by 9. We want to divide 35 divided by 9. 35 divided by 9. Divided by 9. 35 divided by 9. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 45. Here 35 only having. So 3 9s are 27. Here 5 having. Borrow 150 minus 7 is equal to 8. 50 minus 7 is equal to 8. Q or D. So our solution is Q 3 then divisor 9 remainder 8. 3 into 8 by 9. Our answer is 3 into 8 by 9. Answer is 3 into 8 by 9. Next one, homework part. Next our homework part. Exercise 2.4. First Roman 4 5 6. Then third Roman 4 5 6. Then fourth Roman 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. Thank you to all.